Unlocking the meaning of lock in on. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to unlock the meaning and usage of the phrase, lock in on. This phrase can be a bit tricky for learners, but by the end of this video, you'll be using it like a native speaker. Lock in on is a phrasal verb that has a couple of different uses. Generally, it means to focus very closely on something or someone, often to the exclusion of everything else. Imagine a camera lens zooming in on a subject and locking into place. That's the kind of focused attention this phrase suggests. Let's look at how lock in on can be used in different scenarios. In personal focus, he locked in on his homework, ignoring all the distractions around him. In competition, the athlete locked in on the finish line, determined to win the race. In conversation or debate, during the discussion, she locked in on the main issue, not allowing the topic to change. A common mistake learners make is confusing lock in on with simply lock in. The latter can mean to secure something in a fixed position or secure a deal or agreement. Remember, lock in on always involves directing attention or focus. Now, let's practice with some examples. Try to create your own sentences using lock in on. Here's one to get you started. As soon as he entered the room, he locked in on the painting that hung on the far wall. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and use of lock in on. With a bit of practice, you'll be incorporating this phrase into your English conversations with ease. Until next time, keep learning and keep focusing on your language goals.